Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Young people in Portmore with big ideas are getting the support they need to turn their dreams into thriving businesses. Through the Portmore Says Yes initiative, aspiring entrepreneurs are being equipped with practical skills, mentorship, and business training to transform their passions into profit. Yanique Williams tells us more in this evening's Ray of Hope.
Ray of Hope.
What began as a hobby or a simple passion can become the foundation for a successful business. That's the vision behind the Social Development Commission's themed Portmore Says Yes, an initiative giving young people the tools, confidence, and practical training to build sustainable livelihoods. Instead of waiting for opportunities, participants are learning how to create them.
This is part of our work here at SDC, where we want to get youths involved. We want to encourage wealth creation in our communities across Jamaica, and Portmore is no different. So this intervention is really to get the youths to have a skill and start their business within their community and progress to employing other Jamaicans in their community.
From entrepreneurship and financial management to marketing and customer service, participants receive hands-on training designed to prepare them for the realities of running a business.
We have our community liaison officers in the community. We help them to expose them to other training. We also help them to develop their business plans, their business models. We get them registered with the company's office. We help them to do that as well. We help if they're doing products that need the scientific research council to approve the products. We also help them to do that. We go to Bureau Standard and we help them with that as well. We also link them to other government agencies that provide support for small businesses.
For the over 50 participants, the program is more than just a class. It's a chance to discover their potential and chart a new path towards independence.
I recommend everyone coming to SDC to partner with them and to allow them to help you gain a better understanding.
The skills being developed extend beyond business. This young lashdek has hopes of one day venturing on her own.
The skills pay the bills. So even if it's a case where you do have like a 9-to-5 job, having a skill is very important because this can help pay the bills. You know, with the job that you're in, you can complete your bill payment. But what about recreational activities? You know, when you have a skill set, you can actually matriculate into that.
Participants are building confidence, discipline, and resilience, qualities that can open doors long after the training ends. Whether it's cosmetology, baking, graphic design, tailoring, or another trade, each lesson brings them one step closer to transforming passion into profit.
I got the opportunity to expand my business, to grow my business, and to even venture more into the business world because knowledge is power, right? So I believe that you're never too young nor old to learn. And here I find it that you have endless possibilities, endless different routes, pathways to grow your business.
As these young entrepreneurs continue to sharpen their skills and to pursue their goals, the initiative is proven that with the right guidance and opportunity, talent can become enterprise and dreams can become reality. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yanique Williams.